Here's how to use conservation of energy in physics. Quick note. When putting in a number for the height, you can technically measure it from any spot, as long as you are consistent and measure it from the same spot at both point A and point B. In this case, we're going to measure the height from the ground and call that 0. But you may see other problems where the height is measured from somewhere in the air, and thus height can be negative. So moving on, we now add the kinetic and potential energy together to get the total energy at point A, which is 173,000 joules. Looking at point B, we're asked to find the velocity, which we will figure out by writing out the equations for the kinetic and potential energy. Here kinetic is again 1/2 mv squared, where v is unknown, so we'll just leave it as a variable. And the potential is mgh, but since the roller coaster is on the ground, h equals 0, so the whole potential is 0.